What's ADENOVITAL? What you can learn from this content. One, the target customers. Recommended for hair which has started experiencing change. Those who want strength, resilience, and volume. Those who are concerned about thinning and/or hair loss. 2. Product features and usage. ADENOVITAL is the hair and scalp care line with unique technology which responds to a wide range of generations. ADENOVITAL Shampoo Thinning Hair. This shampoo gives hair a finish that is light and voluminous. A smooth lather quickly envelops the hair and scalp and gently removes impurities without stripping away the moisture. Tips on how to use the product. First, wash the hair and scalp thoroughly with warm water to remove impurities. Then create a rich lather and shampoo in a circular motion as if massaging the scalp, starting from the hairline and moving toward the back of the head. Make sure you are using the pads of your fingers and not your nails. ADENOVITAL Scalp Treatment Thinning Hair. This scalp treatment hydrates the scalp, which is the foundation for beautiful hair. It conditions the scalp to make it easy for the scalp essence to penetrate and tightens the scalp while adding strength and resilience for a voluminous finish. The tube has a nozzle which allows you to apply directly on the scalp, making it possible to conduct a comfortable massage. Tips on how to use the product. After shampooing and removing excess water from the hair, hold the tip of the nozzle close to the scalp and apply the treatment as if drawing lines. Massage the entire scalp with the pads of your fingers. ADENOVITAL Hair Treatment Thinning Hair. Beauty ingredients will penetrate inside the hair which has started experiencing change, such as waviness, dryness, and lack of shine. Damage is repaired and waviness is controlled. This product will add natural shine, strength, and resilience for hair with voluminous feeling. Tips on how to use the product. Use this hair treatment after shampooing. You can maintain volume at the roots by spreading the product on the palms and working it into the entire hair, starting from the ends. ADENOVITAL Hair Mask Thinning Hair. This is a special treatment to be used in place of hair treatment once a week for hair which has started experiencing change such as waviness, dryness, and lack of shine. Beauty ingredients will penetrate inside the hair for intensive repair. It will give moisture, strength, and resilience for hair with voluminous feeling and maintain the beauty of hair. Tips on how to use the product. Use this hair mask after shampooing in place of hair treatment. First, work into the entire hair, focusing on the ends. Then leave for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the product to penetrate deep inside the hair. ADENOVITAL Volume Serum Thinning Hair. This is a serum for the hair and scalp which adds strength and resilience for a boost in voluminous feeling. It creates an optimal environment for the scalp, which is the foundation for beautiful hair. By addressing the scalp, you will be able to promote the care of beautiful hair. Tips on how to use the product. Use this volume serum when the hair is in dry or towel-dried condition. Part the hair and apply to about 14 locations over the entire scalp. Work in thoroughly to the scalp and roots, and then blow-dry the hair by lifting the roots. ADENOVITAL Scalp Power Shot. Hair growth technology formulated ingredients is concentrated in Scalp Power Shot. To achieve maximized effects, it is important to use the product properly. Use twice a day, morning and night. In the morning, apply to hair in dry condition before styling. At night, apply to hair after shampooing and towel drying. Apply to the entire scalp in about 15 locations, focusing on the areas of concern. Hold the nozzle close to the scalp and apply one pump at a time, kneading softly with the fingers. Conduct a scalp massage after application. In order to realize the benefits, it is important to follow the recommended frequency and amount of use. Fragrance: an uplifting, refreshing scent of fruit, which was ripened by the energy of the bright sun, combined with a fresh note of herbs. 3. Sublimic common technologies in ADENOVITAL. 1. Hair reforming technology. We focused on the fact that hair with damage has dents or distortions in the strand's cross-sectional shape. Our proprietary hair reforming technology corrects the distorted shape of each individual strand. This technology is used in all sublimic treatments. 2. Triple layer microcoating. 3 layers of thin film coat the hair surface and protect the hair from external factors such as friction, sebum, and humidity to make the effects of the treatment long-lasting. This technology is used in all sublimic masks. 4. Hair powerizing system. Focuses on the multiple aging concerns of the hair and scalp. Gives care from all 3 directions: hair, scalp, and roots, with proprietary hair powerizing system for beautiful hair with strength, resilience, and volume. Gives volume with bounce from the roots. Enhances shine by repairing the hair's waviness. Fully hydrates the scalp for healthy scalp conditions. 5. Core powerizing technology. Core powerizing technology supports hair growth by addressing the deep layer of the scalp, the core of hair growth. The key ingredients of ADENOVITAL Scalp Power Shot. Long and thick. Adenosine works directly on the dermal papilla to promote new hair growth. Sophora angustifolia root extract promotes the proliferation of hair follicle cells and prolongs the active growth phase to foster long, thick strands. Calming. Beta-glycyrrhetinic acid creates a good condition for the scalp with its calming, anti-inflammatory effect. Switch on. Panax ginseng root extract activates the proliferation of dermal papilla cells and hair germ cells to promote hair growth. Blood circulation. Nicotinamide promotes blood flow in the scalp to prevent hair loss. Summary: ADENOVITAL is recommended for those who are beginning to notice changes in the hair. ADENOVITAL's unique hair powerizing system provides care from 3 directions: the scalp, roots, and hair, to give you beautiful hair that is firm, resilient, and voluminous. Scalp Power Shot's unique core powerizing technology penetrates deep into the scalp to support the growth of healthy hair.